scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Polarity questions are super common in chemistry, so let's find the most polar bond in this diagram using a quick 3-step method right now. Bond polarity is determined by the difference in electronegativity between two atoms. We need to compare how strongly each atom pulls on the shared electrons to find the biggest gap. Chlorine has a value of 3.0, making it more electronegative than iodine, bromine, or carbon. This creates a much larger difference compared to the other bonds shown here. Carbon is 2.5 and hydrogen is 2.1. Since chlorine is the most electronegative, option A is our clear winner. Let's go! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush, trust the given values, and check your steps carefully.